Well, hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. I'm Peaches from Lovers for Healthy Life, and today is a beautiful November day, and I'm out here in my greenhouse polytunnel where I'm going to be potting up some vegetables that you can grow indoors. You can grow them in a greenhouse like this. Now, this is a sponsored video from Emerging Green. It's a sustainability company that specializes in wonderful products. This is a giveaway video as well. So I think today I'm going to be planting up some lettuce and maybe some spinach in one of the planters. So come along with me and let's have some fun. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I've already added my potting mix to the pot. So just so you know that the hanging baskets come with the coil liner already inside and the nice hanging chain. Okay, so just so you know that 70% of the products come from sustainable or recycled sources. So the first thing I want to do is add some of this Vermis organic soil amendment to my soil. Now I amend my soil with my own compost as well, but this is super easy to use and it already has lots of nutrients inside of them. So I'm going to go ahead and just mix this. This right here is earthworm castings that I'm mixing in here. So I'm just going to give that a good mixture all the way around. And this potty mix has been sitting outside. Is covered a little bit, but every now and then we take the cover off, and so you get these pine needles in here, but I think that's okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and just mix this in. I think that's pretty good. So I'm gonna be potting up some purple lady bok choy, and just gonna add a few of these inside of here, and I'm gonna do an updated video as well so I can show you the progress of the seeds. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a few right over in this area. I'm gonna put these back in here, and then I'm gonna cover that up. And I'm gonna plant this right here is Bloomsdale standing spinach. Comes in bulk, so I'm gonna plant some spinach as well. Add a little spinach over here. Make like a nice salad. Okay, and then here in the middle, I'm gonna add some Swiss chard. But first, right over here in this area, it's a little bit bigger because we like lettuce. Put these seeds back in here. So I'm going to add this Everwild organic salad bowl lettuce. So that's why this area is a little bit bigger, because I need a little bit more room. So I'm just going to just sprinkle it right here. And sprinkle it generously. Alright. I'm going to cover that up, and then right here in the middle I'm going to add some Swiss chard. I think that'll be pretty with Swiss chard coming out of the middle. Then we got bok choy, and we have spinach over here and lettuce over in here. That should be really, really pretty. So let me get some Swiss chard. Okay, so I have some Swiss chard seeds right in here. So you only need a few of the Swiss chards, because the Swiss chards plant, I'm probably going to have to thin this out a little bit anyways. They get really, really big. All right. So we're going to cover this up. Now the soil's already moist, so I'm not going to add any, well, I'm going to sprinkle it with a little water. Now the soil's already moist, so I'm just going to spray it or mist it a little bit with water. And there you have it. Okay, so I also made up these labels because I can't forget to label them. So the chard is right here in the middle, so I'll put that there. And then the spinach we planted right over here. And the purple bok choy was here. And then the salad bowl was right over here. So we'll just stick that right here. Put the spinach one right over there. Okay, so we're all set. Now I'm going to hang this up. And this was super easy to be able to plant in this basket. And I just love them. I love the fact that the materials are sustainable, and you don't need a huge planter or anything to grow your salad vegetables right there. You could put this, now you could put this in front of a sunny window in your home, but these are really nice to grow inside your greenhouse. You can also grow them indoors on your patio. You can bring them indoors, and just make sure that when you water them, you bring them outdoors to water them. Make sure the water drains, because these are porous right here, so you don't want to water these inside your home unless you put something underneath them. But anyways, these are super nice. So I'm also, with these planters, I'm gonna be giving away seeds and a few other goodies as well. So here's a picture of what I'm going to be including in this giveaway. Well guys, thank you so much for following along on this video where we planted some awesome vegetables. Alright, so all you have to do to enter the giveaway is to comment on this video below, and also be a subscriber to my channel. So I'll be choosing a winter within the next 7 days. Guys, thank you so much for following along on this video. So I'm going to be doing another update video on my garden and what's growing on here on the homestead. Well, I want to thank Emerging Green for sponsoring this video and giveaway, and their products are really super awesome. Well guys, if you missed any of that, in the comments below we'll have more information about this giveaway and how to enter this giveaway. And also there's a discount code where you can use to purchase some of the products from Emerging Green. So thank you so much. Happy gardening and God bless.